Looking for a user-friendly, versatile vacuum cleaner that caters to both carpets and hard floors? The Kenmore Intuition bagged upright vacuum might be the missing piece in your cleaning puzzle. This lightweight and maneuverable machine boasts a lift-up design for above-floor cleaning, a HEPA filtration system for cleaner air, and a convenient, no-touch bag technology for mess-free dust disposal. Let's delve deeper into the features, performance, and overall value of the Intuition to see if it fits your cleaning needs. Effortless above-floor cleaning with lift-up technology. Similar to the Do 5080 and Do 5092 models, the Intuition features a lift-up design. This allows you to detach the canister from the main body with a simple button press, transforming it into a lightweight and portable handheld unit. This is a game-changer for tackling stairs, furniture upholstery, curtains, and other above-floor surfaces that can be cumbersome with a full-sized upright vacuum. This versatility makes the Intuition ideal for multi-level homes or those with a mix of carpets and hard floors. Say goodbye to messy dust bags with no-touch bag technology. Traditional bagged vacuums often involve the unpleasant task of manually emptying a dusty bag. Intuition tackles this head-on with its innovative no-touch bag technology. With a simple press of a button, the full dust bag releases from the machine and seals itself shut, eliminating the need for direct contact with dust and debris. This is a hygienic and convenient feature, especially for allergy sufferers or those who simply dislike the mess associated with emptying dust bags. PowerFlow technology, maintaining peak performance. The Intuition utilizes PowerFlow technology within the bag chamber. This clever design ensures consistent and strong suction power even as the dust bag fills up. This means you can maintain optimal cleaning performance throughout your cleaning session without the worry of diminished suction as the bag nears capacity. Lightweight maneuverability and LED headlights, weighing in at only 14 pounds. The Intuition prioritizes user comfort. This lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, navigate stairs especially in the handheld mode, and clean those hard-to-reach corners and crevices. The swivel steering further enhances this ease of use, allowing you to effortlessly clean around obstacles without straining your back. Additionally, LED headlights illuminate the cleaning path, ensuring you don't miss any dust bunnies hiding in low-light areas. HEPA filtration for cleaner air. The Intuition features a high-grade HEPA filtration system combined with a completely sealed system design. This means that the vacuum effectively traps dust, dirt, and allergens inside the machine, preventing it from recirculating back into the air you breathe. This is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers, pet owners, and anyone who desires a cleaner and healthier home environment. While not explicitly mentioned, some Intuition models might also include a pre-motor filter for added filtration. Double-checking the specific model details is recommended if this is a crucial feature for you. A toolbox for every task. The Intuition comes equipped with a 3-in-1 combination tool that offers cleaning versatility. Crevice tool, designed for reaching tight spaces like corners, baseboards, and between couch cushions. Dusting brush, perfect for dusting furniture, shelves, and blinds. Upholstery tool, specifically designed to remove pet hair and dirt from furniture upholstery. Additionally, some models might include a dedicated handmake tool specifically designed for tackling pet hair on furniture and upholstery. A user-friendly and eco-conscious choice. Intuition prioritizes user-friendliness with several features that streamline your cleaning routine. The bag design offers the convenience of not needing to constantly empty a dustbin, while the no-touch bag technology ensures a mess-free disposal process. The transparent dust cup allows you to easily see when the filter needs cleaning, minimizing interruptions during cleaning. While bagged vacuums require ongoing bag purchases, some users might find them more convenient and sanitary than bagless models. Additionally, the lightweight design reduces the energy consumption required for operation, making Intuition a somewhat eco-conscious cleaning option. Is the Kenmore Intuition bagged upright vacuum right for you? This vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a user-friendly, versatile, and lightweight cleaning solution, particularly those who dislike messy dust disposal. No-touch bag technology offers a hygienic and convenient way to dispose of dust. Need above-floor cleaning? The lift-up design allows for effortless cleaning of stairs, furniture, and other above-floor surfaces. Value clean air, HEPA filtration. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.